Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to share with you how to reduce underarm sweetness with help of the foods. In some cases, people who sweat too much may have condition called hyperhidrosis disorder, which is diagnosed and treated by a doctor. Hyperhidrosis involves profuse sweating all over the entire body, not just under the arms. There are several natural, over-the-counter, and medical remedies that can reduce or eliminate excess underarm sweating. Let's see how to do this. Wait before showering and dressing. After you shower, wait a few minutes before you get dressed for the day. This is especially important if you take hot shower or live in a hot, humid climate. Allowing your body to become cool and dry before you put on the clothes could help prevent your underarms from sweating right after you bathe. Shave your armpits. Shaving your underarms could reduce excessive sweating. Hair holds moisture and underarm hair is no exception. If you are already experiencing heavy sweating under your arms, shaving is essential. And if you are constantly fighting body odor alongside the sweat, shaving could also help reduce or eliminate it. Why do my armpits sweat so much? If you are bothered by how much you sweat, you have likely tried many different brands of deodorant with no success. Excessive underarms sweating can be comfortable, but it doesn't have to be inevitable. There are many methods to prevent sweating, and many of them can be tried at home. Avoid sweat-inducing foods. Did you know that your diet can impact how much you sweat? Some foods can cause your body to produce more sweat than others. If you feel like you are sweating too much, reducing or eliminating sweat-inducing food in your diet could help. Foods with a low fiber content force your digestive system to work overtime to break down your foods. A high sodium diet means your body will be detoxing all that salt in the form of excess urine and sweat, and eating foods that are high in fat causes your insides to warm as your body processes the fat. Some other foods and beverages that could trigger sweaty armpits include processed foods, liquor and beer, garlic and onions, foods that have a high fat content, caffeine, hot spicy dishes, ice cream. Eat more foods that reduce sweat. Some foods can actually reduce the amount of sweat your body produces and calm overactive sweat glands in the process. When looking to reduce sweat through your diet, it's important to focus on foods that won't tax your digestive system. You will also want to seek out foods that don't overstimulate your nervous systems and calm it instead. Some sweat reducing foods you might want to incorporate include water, foods with a high calcium content like dairy products and cheese, almonds, bananas, whey, vegetables and fruits with high water content, example watermelon, grapes, broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, bell pepper, eggplant and red cabbage. Olive oil, oats, green tea, sweet potatoes. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and eating foods with a high water content can keep your body cool and prevent excessive underarm sweating. Wear breathable, loose-fitting clothes. Wearing tight clothes, especially clothes that are snug, beneath your arms can cause underarms stains on your shirt. They can also make you sweat more. Instead, try wearing fabric that are breathable and clothes that fit more loosely. This will allow your underarms to cool properly and could help prevent them from sweating and staining your clothes. Skip the caffeine. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system and increases sweating. It also causes your blood pressure to rise, raises your heart rate, and kicks your sweat glands into high gear. And if you are a fan of coffee or other hot drinks that contain caffeine, you could be in for an extra sweaty day since hot drinks raise your body temperature and induce sweating. Try decreasing or eliminating caffeine altogether. So friends, hope you like and get something knowledge in this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.